The Chihuly exhibit at Biltmore Estate. That's a cool thing. The guy makes really neat glass sculptures. Let's take a look at some more stuff. Can you believe people actually lived like this? They're definitely a part of the 1%. Here's a beautiful glass composition near a fountain. Guy does really neat stuff. What is the name of this thing? Sky blue and cobalt fiori. Hey, check out this boat filled with these floating glass orbs all around. And the sculpture in the background, it's pretty amazing. So the exhibit I was just in front of is called Float Boat, and I don't know how to say this, Nijima Floats. These are the big orbs. It's a really interesting setting, and then come down here for a large glass sculpture in the middle. I'll go down to the end too. I'm gonna butcher this, but Palazzo Ducal Tower, close enough. So that's the one in the middle. And all of these have koi fish. And moving down the line. Fiori boat and neodymium reeds with Fiori Verdi. Yeah, I'll mess all these names up. I think this might be one of my favorite ones so far. It's beautiful. These fragile pieces really add to the beauty of the Biltmore Estate. At the Indianapolis Children's Museum, they have an installation by this man, and they talk about how he painstakingly adds these pieces one at a time, and it's kind of precarious, but it all works together. And believe it or not, they have a sign that says not to climb on these things, which to me sounds like a very treacherous endeavor. And wouldn't you know it, here's a real life example of lawn striping, but it kind of makes more sense for them to do it here, since this is an attraction for many visitors throughout the different seasons, and the exhibits change based on the season, and the gardens here are fantastic. It's like there are these odd growths coming up. I've been here before, but never seen this. Just when I think I found my favorite one, another one pops up, and this kind of is in the running for my favorite. Hey, there's my parents in the background. It's because of them that I'm here. Yeah, they finally got out of their jobs and live in North Carolina, in a beautiful place, and that's why I'm here. Awesome. Here's another one. Don't climb on it. And it's in this setting that's just gorgeous. Striped lawn. Believe it or not, these people had quite a bit of money. Spectacular.
At the top,
welcome to a forest of odd growth.
There's a bench on this far left side. There's a bag, Biltmore bag with a.
I mean, the guy has an amazing
it's up by
sense of creativity and the placement of these
No, it's just sitting on that bench.
Really couldn't be better.
It's up there? Okay. Thank you.
Just fits right into the setting. It's beautiful. All right, I think I'm going to end this here. If you ever get a chance to go to the Biltmore Estate, do it. And I'm in the beautiful botanical garden. Lots to see here. Many different exhibits, and things change. So check it out, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.